Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-pack product bundles or quantity discounts on Shopify. This is a fantastic way to increase your average order value and encourage customers to buy more by offering them attractive bundle deals or discounts when they purchase multiple items together. Let's start by heading over to your browser and typing in shopify.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the store where you want to set up these bundles, as this will be where all your configurations take place. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is your control center for managing various aspects of your store, from payment methods to shipping and apps. Within the Settings menu, on the left side again, you'll find an option called Apps. Click on it, and then you'll see a button that says Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the entire marketplace of Shopify apps where you can find tools to enhance your store's functionality. In the search bar at the top of the App Store, type in Simple Bundles and Kits. This app is specifically designed to help you create product bundles and offer quantity discounts without any complicated coding or technical knowledge. Once the search results appear, click on the Simple Bundles and Kits app from the list. You'll now be on the app's detail page where you can read more about its features. When you're ready, click the Install button. This action will redirect you to a new tab where the app will request access to some of your personal and stored data. This is standard procedure for Shopify apps, as they need certain permissions to function properly within your store. Review the permissions and click Install again to confirm. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the installation process completes. Depending on your internet connection and server speed, this might take just a few seconds or up to a minute. Be patient and avoid navigating away from this page until you see confirmation that the installation is finished. Once the app is fully installed, you'll see a button that says Build Bundle. Click on it to start creating your first product bundle. The app will present you with different bundle types, so select Simple Bundle from the options available. This is the most straightforward way to group products together and offer them at a discounted rate. Now it's time to configure your bundle. First, give your bundle a descriptive title that your customers will see, something like Summer Essentials Pack or Buy 3 Save 20%. Next, add a discount percentage in the designated field. This is the amount customers will save when they purchase this bundle. Then, under Product Status, make sure to select Active so that your bundle will be visible and purchasable on your storefront right away. Next, click on Add Products. This will open a window showing all the products in your store. Select the products you want to include in this bundle by clicking on them, then click Add. You can choose as many products as make sense for your bundle offer. Once you've added all the products you want, review everything to make sure it looks correct. When everything looks good, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This will create your bundle and store all the settings you've just configured. The app will then show you a preview of how your bundle will appear to customers on your store. Take a moment to review this preview carefully. If you want the original prices to be displayed alongside the discounted bundle price, you can check the option that says Update Bundle Compare at Price in Shopify. This shows customers how much they're saving, which can be a powerful motivator. Finally, click Save again at the bottom to finalize all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a multi-pack product bundle with quantity discounts on your Shopify store. Your customers can now take advantage of these special offers, and you'll likely see an increase in your average order value. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.